Hey guys, welcome to 6 by 2 inches vlog. Today we are going to learn concepts of biopsychology and its major endocrine glands and their roles, plus classification of neurotransmitters. So what is endocrine system? Uh, I told you in the previous lecture that endocrine system is also known as ductless glands because it secretes the hormones directly into the bloodstream and it is closely linked to the autonomic nervous system. So now we are going to see major endocrine glands and their role. I really want you to memorize all these major glands and their role because it's important for any kind of higher psychology entrance examinations. So the first one is hypothalamus. It controls the pituitary gland. Second is pituitary gland. It regulates growth, controls the thyroid, reproductive pancreas, and adrenal cortex glands, regulates water and salt mechanism. Thyroid gland. It controls the metabolic rate. Pancreas regulates sugar mechanism and controls glycogen and insulin rates. Testes and ovaries. It affects physical development, reproductive organs, and sexual behavior. Now, adrenal medulla. It prepares the body for action like fight or flight action, which secretes adrenaline and noradrenaline. Adrenal cortex. It regulates carbohydrates and salt metabolism. It releases corticosteroids involved in resistance to stress. Classification of neurotransmitters. Even this point is important. You need to know the classifications and also memorize this. First one is amino acid transmitters. So, which neurotransmitters come under this? It's glutamate, asper- aspartate, GABA, which means glycine gamma aminobutyric acid. GABA also plays a role in anxiety. Second is monoamine transmitters. Uh, so under monoamine, noradrenaline, adrenaline, dopamine, and serotonin comes, and dopamine plays role in schizophrenia. You will find high levels of dopamine in schizophrenia and lower level of serotonin in depression. Third one is acetylcholine. Fourth is neuropeptides. Okay, now we are at the part of concept check. I hope you have memorized all the major endocrine glands and classification of neurotransmitters. The MCQs are based on it. If not, please do so. Then go through the concept check MCQs. The first question is which of the following gland regulate metabolic rate? Options are A. Pancreas, B. Adrenal medulla, C. Adrenal cortex, D. Thyroid. Take your time, answer, and go to the next slide. Okay, so the answer is thyroid gland. It controls the metabolic rate. The second question is monoamine transmitters do not contain the following transmitters. Okay, you have to find out the transmitter which is not under monoamine transmitters. So A is dopamine, B glutamate, C serotonin, D adrenaline. Take your time, then check the answer. Okay, so the right answer is glutamate. It's not under monoamine neurotransmitters. Okay, so thanks for watching. Do subscribe and share the video with your friends and stay tuned for more upcoming conceptual videos related to NET, JRF, Set Psychology, and for MCQs, which will be uploaded once a week.